back, traders. Today I wanted to share something very special, and that is a simple way to use the active trader for your options contracts. If you're not familiar with the active trader, basically what it's going to help you do is put in your orders to get in or get out of your trade a little bit faster, and it'll also help you layer in and layer out of your position. So first of all, what you want to set up for yourself is some sort of system that you like to search for when it comes to the options contracts that you like to trade, whether that be in the money, at the money, or out of the money. Usually things that you may want to look for is unusual options activity. So you maybe want to search for a change in volume, a spike in volume, and a price change in one or the other direction, etc. And then what you can do is, once you have it set, that scanner built, guys, you'll be able to basically just click here, send it to the yellow, red, blue, green, or whatever color or number you want to send it to. So that way it sends it over to a chart where you'll already have the active trader set up. In my case, I have it set up on a chart right here where it is linked to yellow. And that way, when I select, for example, in this scenario, I selected the 332.50 strikes, put strikes on Tesla for November the 29th. So now what happens is, when I go over to this chart, I would be able to immediately see, as soon as I click it here, let's say it comes up on this scanner, it would come up to this chart right away, and I'll be able to see the action, the price action, the momentum, and what is actually going on the instrument I'm looking to trade. In this case, let's say it would be the Tesla 332.50 put. So let's say it was the break of dawn in the morning, the market just opened, and I'm looking at this chart and I instantly see that it's breaking over this 200 EMA. It gives me good indication that, hey man, this thing may actually continue to go higher. You go and review the chart on Tesla and you see that it is actually tanking like it did on Friday. You'll know, oh man, this is going to be a good trade. The benefit of using this here now, you have this set up the way you want it. So now you can select auto send. You can set these numbers the way you want them when you want to go in initially with 5 contracts and then duplicate that and go up by 5, 10, 15 or whatever. So you'll be able to go 5, you'll be able to change that to 15, 25 and so on. Therefore, letting you layer in and layer out of your positions the way you want to. So what you would do is just basically click here, boom, and you'll be able to set your limit order where you want it to be, or your entry price where you want it to be. So when you click here, for example, boom, the order would go in there. You see the order's instantly there. So if I, let's say, okay, this thing is still going my way, awesome. And now you say, oh, you know what? I want to layer in some more here. Boom, it'll put your order there immediately. And since you select that auto send, it'll auto send it without having to prompt you to add more, okay? And then when you want to exit those positions, you would do the same thing. You select the number that you want to do and you say, okay, I want to exit when it hits 625 here. Boom, take me out of 615 there, take me out of 5 here, etc., etc., etc. And this is the benefit of using the active trader for your options contracts. So it'll let you do that. Now, if you are doing spreads and things like that, you can actually do the same thing for those as well. The only problem is that you actually have to do a couple more steps, and I'll share that on the next video. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. If you have not clicked the like button, go ahead and click it now. If you don't like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs down. Go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.